8 pros and cons about TPO roofing, coming up next.
Pro number 1, durability. TPO roofs are highly durable and can withstand harsh weather conditions including extreme heat, cold, and heavy rain. It is also resistant to UV rays, which helps it prevent cracking and fading. Pro number 2, energy efficiency. TPO roofs are highly reflective, which can help reduce the amount of heat absorbed by the roof. This can result in lower energy bills and a more comfortable indoor environment. Pro number 3, low maintenance. TPO roofs require minimal maintenance, making it a cost-effective option over time. It is also resistant to algae and mold growth, which can help maintain its appearance. Pro number 4, easy installation. TPO roofs are easy to install, making it an ideal choice for new construction or roof replacement projects. The sheets are typically welded together using heat to create a seamless waterproof membrane. Now the cons of TPO roofing, starting with number 1, its puncture resistance. TPO roofs may not be as puncture resistant as other flat roofing systems. This may require periodic inspections and repairs. Con number 2, its limited lifespan. TPO roofs have a shorter lifespan compared to other roofing options, such as PVC. It typically lasts between 15 to 20 years, depending on various factors such as weather conditions and maintenance. Con number 3, not suitable for high temperatures. TPO roofs may not be suitable for areas with high temperatures, as they may shrink and become brittle over time. Con number 4, environmental concerns. TPO roofs are petroleum-based materials, which may not be suitable for those looking for more sustainable roofing options. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.